Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, and good welcome. It's monthly favorites time. My name is Monika Aesta. I'm thrilled beyond belief that you have found this corner of the internet upon which to park your little can and watch this video. So here we go. These are all of the things that I have been loving in the month of July. What I'm finding hardest about this channel is like making time for it. Understanding, that's me popping my knuckles down here. I'm not just farting into the pillow that I'm sitting on. What I understand about the internet is that there is watching it and being entertained by it, and then there's making content for it. And there are very different things. Like, this is the production of a show. I have a totally different relationship with it. And maybe that's my first favorite, is like realizing that this is also work and scheduling it into my work day. I keep scheduling it in my off time and I get weird about it. So I need to just schedule it within my work day. It looks like I have a filter on it, but I think honestly there's a smudge on my camera. Anyway, let's just take a gander at the things that I've been loving. I'm wearing a lot of them right now. I've just been enjoying myself. I've been enjoying makeup a lot this month, and realizing like what a coping mechanism it is for me when things are hard or when I just need to like sort through my feelings, sort through my thoughts. I will put on a wild makeup look, and I think this leads into my very first favorite, the Avatar: The Last Airbender collection from Lethal Cosmetics. OMG. OMG, do I love this collection. I love almost everything in it. There's one thing where I'm like, I think my number one favorite have been these liquid eyeliners. Excuse me very much, all over my face. I have been just having the most fun. Look at this, gorgeous. It's like red to gold to green, and then this dark red. Oh, I didn't think I would love like the Fire Nation one. I knew I was gonna love the one that I'm gonna show you right now, which are the Aang colors. I knew I was gonna love this like periwinkle color. Look at it next to my skin. Are you freaking out? I am. And then this, oh, this is like this beautiful ethereal white, but like green, pink, peach that it shifts to. It's so pretty. These liners are gorgeous. And the Aang liners, Aang, there he is, boop, and the Zuko liners are my absolute favorite. They're just beautiful, super creamy. They stay on a long time. And I really have been wanting to get into graphic liner, and I've just been having a nice time with these. They're very beautiful. I already bought a backup of this one. I'm trying not to do that. But I was like, I love these with the passion of 1,000 suns. So with the passion of 1,000 suns, with the fire of 1,000 burning suns, I love this one a lot. I knew I was going to. I was like, oh, well, I know myself, I'm right. Next, okay, this is sort of an oldie but a goodie. I don't know what tickled me to pull this out of my collection, but I was like, I really want to pull out and wear MAC Give Me Sun. Excuse your mouth right now. This is my second one, but I've had Give Me Sun itself, I don't know, maybe like 10 years. This bronzer is newer than that. I'm wearing it right now. It's the right tone. My skin doesn't always agree with like a reddish toned bronzer. It does not certainly always agree with an orangey toned bronzer. Here, let's see if we can see that. But it's just the nicest color. There's like a sandiness to this. It looks like it's gonna be super orangey, but then it's like, it's got like a beige quality. There's some sort of like neutrality like seeping through that is just like working. It's just working for me. It's noise. It makes me feel noise. What more am I asking for from a bronzer? I don't know. Nothing. Next, okay, I'm going to show you the eyeshadow palette that took a hold of my mind, body, and soul this month. And when it was released, as soon as I saw it, I saw the color story, I was like, I don't know when the last time was that I was this excited about an eyeshadow palette. I know I've been nervous about an eyeshadow palette, that it's gonna like sell out or I'm gonna miss out on something, but this was the first time in a long time where I just felt pure excitement for a color story, for the textures and the Zaza. This is a brand that I've never used before either. This is from Gourmande Girls, and this is the Peach Perfect palette. It is greens, peaches, and this sort of, it's like a greeny brown in the middle. This is so beautiful. I freaked and geeked when I saw this. I was like, excuse me, weird dusty greens, weird dusty pastel peaches. Thank you very much, sign me up. And every name is a little peach, I don't know about pun, but it's like peach wordplay. Okay, fine. I'm peachless, peach out, you're a peach, papa don't peach, you know what I mean? So it's giving me the story of peaches. Okay, like fine, cute, but it is gorgeous. It's like whispering into my ear like, hey, don't you want to be creative? Don't you want to be creative with me and do all kinds of stuff? I'm wearing it today. Accidentally super sexy look that I put on. I was like, what am I going to do today? I don't even know. Put it on. I was like, I guess I knew. I guess my body knew what to do. This is such a slam dunk that I want to spit. Every look that I've created with this has been sort of accidentally sexy. Should that be the name of this channel? I don't know. Is it really an accident? You tell me. You're like, girl, that is on purpose. Next, the lip category. We are juicy. Look at this. We're juicy this month. We're cooling. We're plumping. We're taking advantage of full summer vibes. I love the names of these. Okay. I have been freaking out, falling all over myself for the Colourpop So Juicy Plumping Gloss Balms in the Click Sticks here, and the So Juicy Glossy Lip Oil. These two babies right here, these two product categories, hello, these two product categories, this is very hard for me to hold. I'm like, what am I doing? Definitely don't do that. Okay, these two product categories, the lip oil and the gloss balms, holy macaroni. These are so beautiful. The gloss balm sticks, they smell like toasted marshmallow. A gorgeous, gorgeous scent. Gorgeous. They feel super minty on the lips, so it just, it's a whole experience. I'm wearing the color, I just learned this new piece of slang today. It's called Passenger Princess. I'm wearing the color Passenger Princess. Apparently that's a girl that likes to be driven around. I'm a passenger princess for sure. I'm also a driver's seat princess. I like to drive. I like to be in the car. Totally cool, but these are amazing. I have every color they've released so far. I would love to see them, Colourpop, I would love to see some like weirder colors. I would love to see like a mustard. I would love to see more browns with an interesting undertone, beiges. I want to see more neutral colors. That's what I want to see. They released a lot of pinks and plums. You know what I mean? Like, we don't necessarily have beige here. I feel like this is what Colourpop does. Like their first lip release of collections, just to kind of test the waters and see, they just released like sort of gentle plums, like gentle roses and plums. This I think was the first release, and then this was their like summertime juicy girl release. But they're all fantastic, so beautiful. I also love these, the glossy plumping lip oils, the plumpy gloss, I also love these, the plumpy, what is it? The plumping glossy lip oils. Plumping glossy lip oils. I love the plumpy Can I just call these the plumpies for short? They look like little plumpies. They're just super plush. I have these sort of dotted around my home and in my bag. Every time I see one, I just want to pick it up and put one on. These two are my favorites. This is the color Baby Panda, and it's just like this milky sheer pink. And then this color is, it's a date, which is let's say it together, a neutral beige. And if your lips are super hot pink or something naturally, you're probably not gonna see a whole lot of difference with these because they're sheer. You probably run into that problem a lot. But for someone like me, my lips, depending on my, I don't know, the day, the level of hydration that I'm experiencing, they're soft rose, they're a little bit browny, they're stark beige, like whatever. I love this kind of lip oil texture that is like juicy and kind of pillowy feeling. They're not thin, they're not goopy, they are just right. This is the texture of lip oil that is perfect, just right. And then this one I found actually when I was cleaning up by my bed. I knew that I had this, but I didn't know that it had fallen down the side of my bed. This is the Sigma Renew lip oil. I think this is just the original color. Hush. It's called Hush. It's clear. It gives you a tiny, tiny bit of a tint. It just adds a kiss of brightness to your lips. My lips feel better in the morning when I put this on at night. This is a rare lip product that is also making my lips better as I use it. The Plumping products, like, I don't know. Honestly, I'm sizzling my lips every day. I don't know. But the mint, I don't mind. Whatever. But this, it feels really nice. It looks really good. It's something you can wear in the daytime, at night. Like if your lips are really sad and crusty at night, put some of this on. It's really beautiful. So have been loving that. Okay, so I'm wearing Passenger Princess from Colourpop Gloss Bombs, right? And I'm also wearing this color on the top. This is from Too Faced. It's called the Hangover RX Pillow Balm in the color Cocoa Kiss. I'm looking at this, I don't necessarily see cocoa unless it has a lot of milk in it, but this is a very special product. Also quite minty. Can you see this on my skin even? Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, either way, I'm gonna put some on. It's like this, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like hot cocoa. It does, I'll give it that. It's like this glossy beige. It has a little bit of yellow in it that makes it brightening. It makes it super brightening, especially on like my skin tone. If you've got a tan that you're trying to like show off to people, a color like this is nice. This is the only color I have, and this was the color that I wanted the most. So I don't think I need any of the other ones. I think they're pretty sheer, but this one, it's just a really good add-on to other glossy colors. If you want that. Well, we've done it. We've done it, folks. We have had a nice time. Well, I've had a nice time. 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 I hope you've had a nice time here today, listening to me yammer on about things that have been bringing a little twinkle to my eye, or a big twinkle. Thank you for spending time here. If you have anything that you've been loving that you think I should try out, do you have anything that I should try out? Then let me know in the comments, please. I'm gonna need to know that. All right, I will see you in the next video. Later, skaters. Hi, if you've reached the point in this video, thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I'm an adult human woman with a YouTube channel. Let me start again. Here we are at the end of another video, but it doesn't have to be the end for you and I. Oh, no, no. No, it doesn't. If you need a few more moments before you get back to your stuff, or if you need a few more moments while you're doing your stuff, just click on this video, subscribe if you haven't, and if you want to. I would love to see you around. That was a total accident.